Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 7 Chapter 3 Simple Equations Exercise 3.4. Let us see the first sum. Find the height of the statue from the adjacent diagram. There is a statue along with a pedestal. Height of the pedestal is given as AB, that is 1.9 meters, and height of the statue we doesn't know, that is x meters we have treated. Ground to statue is 3.6 meters. We have to find the height of the statue. Let us see the solution. We doesn't know height of the statue, that is BC, we have taken as x meters. Height of the pedestal is AB, that is 1.9 meters. Total height, that is AC, they have given as 3.6 meters. Now we have to find BC value. BC plus AB, that is equal to AC. So we have written that implies BC means x meters, write on x, plus AB is 1.9 meters, that equals to AC is 3.6 meters. Now we have to subtract 1.9 on both sides. Let us write now. X plus 1.9 minus 1.9, that equals to 3.6 minus 1.9. Plus 1.9 minus 1.9 cancel. Write down x equal to, we have to do subtraction here. From 3, if you take borrow, 6 becomes 16, 3 becomes 2. 16 minus 9, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. Keep this decimal point. Therefore, x value is 1.7 meters. Therefore, height of the statue is 1.7 meters. See now question number 2. The sum of twice a number and 4 is 80. Find the number. Let us see the solution. Let the number be x. Twice the number is 2x. They have given sum of twice a number and 4 is 80. So we have written 2x plus 4, that equals to 80. So let us subtract 4 on both sides. So write down 2x plus 4 minus 4, that equals to 80 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Write down 2x equals to 80 minus 4, 76. Now let us divide 2 on both sides. So write down 2x by 2, that equals to 76 by 2. That implies here 2 cancel. Write down x equal to 2 table 2 ones are 2. 2 38s are 76. So the x value is 38. Therefore, the required number is 38. See now third question. The difference between a number and 1/4 of itself is 24. Find the number. Let us see the solution. Let the number be m. 1/4 of the number is 1/4 of m. Half means into. If you multiply numerator, you will get 1 into m means m by 4. So 1/4 of number is m by 4. They have given difference of number and 1/4 of itself is 24. So the equation is m minus m by 4, that equals to 24. Here m below no number is there. So let us take denominator as 1. If we done LCM for both the numbers, we get LCM as 4. Now cross multiply m into 4, 4m. Minus 1 into m is m by 4, that equals to 24. That implies 4n minus m, that is 3m by 4, that equals to 24. Let us multiply by 4 on both sides. Write down 3m by 4 into 4, that equals to 24 into 4. Here 4 cancel. Write down 3m equals to 24 4s are 96. Now let us divide by 3 on both sides. Write down 3m by 3, that equals to 96 by 3. Here 3 cancel. Write down m equals to 3 table 3 ones are 3. 3 table 32 times 96. So m value is 32. Therefore the required number m is equal to 32. See now question number 4. Find the value of x from the adjacent diagram. In our question, they have given diagram. We place here variables a, b. They have given 12 centimeter. We place here variable CD. its value is x centimeters they have given. Here we placed EF variables, its value they have given as 5 centimeter, and HG we have placed variables and they have given its value as 24 centimeters. From this figure we can understand that HG is equal to AB plus CD plus EF. So we have written AB plus CD plus EF equals to HG. From the figure, AB value is 12 centimeter, CD value is x centimeter, EF value is 5 centimeter and HG is 24 centimeter. Let us substitute all these values in this. So AB equals to 12, CD equals to x, EF equal to 5, HG equals to 24. That implies 12 plus 5, 17 plus x that equal to 24. Let us subtract 17 on both sides. Write down 17 minus 17 plus x that equals to 24 minus 17. Plus 17 minus 17 cancel, that implies x equal to 24 minus 17 is 7. Therefore, the x value is 7. Therefore, CD is equal to 7 centimeter. See now question number 5. To convert temperature from Fahrenheit to centigrade, we use the formula F minus 32 that equals to 9 by 5 into C. If C value is equal to minus 40 degrees Celsius, then find F. Let us see the solution. Given formula is F minus 32 that equals to 9 by 5 into C. They are given C value equals to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Let us substitute this value in the given formula. That implies F minus 32 that equals to 9 by 5 into C value minus 40. 5 table 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. That implies F minus 32 equals to 9 into minus 8, that is minus 72. Now we shall add 32 on both sides. Write down F minus 32 plus 32 that equals to minus 72 plus 32. Minus 32 plus 32 cancel. Write down F equals to minus 72 plus 32. Both are having opposite sign. We have to do subtraction. 72 minus 32 that is 40. Here 72 is greatest, its sign is minus, so keep here minus sign. Therefore, F value is equal to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. See now question number 6. Rahim has X rupees from which he spent 6 rupees. If twice of the money left with him is 86 rupees, then find X. Let us see the solution. Money with Rahim is X rupees. Money after he spent 6 rupees, that is equal to x minus 6. They have given twice the money left with him is 86 rupees. So twice the money with him is 2 into x minus 6, that is equal to 86. That implies 2 into x minus 6 equal to 86. Now we are going to divide by 2 on both sides. So the 2 cancel. Here 2 table 2 ones are 2. 2 table 43 times 86. That implies x minus 6 is equal to 43. Now let us add 6 on both sides, that equals to x minus 6 plus 6, that equals to 43 plus 6. That implies here minus 6 plus 6 cancel. Write on x equal to 43 plus 6 is 49. Therefore x value is equal to 49. Therefore money with Rahim is 49 rupees. Today we have seen chapter 3, exercise 3.4, 1 to 6 sums. In our next video we shall see remaining sums of exercise 3.4. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.